Hi guys, welcome back to Caramia's Corner. Join me today for another Happy Mail unboxing. This is another entry for my mini mail challenge. If you haven't seen the other entries, make sure to watch the playlist. I will put it at the end of the video. And I'm so excited to get mail from all of you guys. It's a wonderful way to connect. And this Happy Mail here comes from another YouTube creator, and her name is RebeccaCreates, and I enjoy watching her channel when it comes to DT hauls, Daiso hauls, and crafting. Her channel is super fun. I discovered Rebecca's channel probably 3 years ago when she was doing cards for a cause, and basically it was a challenge to donate some handmade cards that she was going to send off and distribute at senior communities. And I thought that was super sweet, and ever since then I've been hooked and I've been watching her channel. So let's have a look and see what is in here and what she sent. Now I have seen her video response, but it's a whole different story when you see the goodies in person. Oh my gosh, hold on. Oh my gosh, guys, do you see this cuteness? Oh my goodness. This is so cute. Let me just take the wrapping off from this one. Guys, look at the cuteness here. This is a mini embellishment box. We are going to open that in just a few. But look at this loaded mini bag here that is filled with mini goodies. So Rebecca mentioned that she also, like me, loves miniature items. So I was super thrilled, and as always, super happy to find crafty friends that have the same interests. So it says here, little birthday there. There's a wish, adorable pocket. Let's take a look at the first pocket, and she's included some of these cute trims. They are really tiny. I love that. I love this die cut, and some twine right there with my favorite color, teal. What do we have here? Miniature flowers. Look at how big it is next to my little thumb there. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Love it. And she also put some of this pearl looking ribbon. That is so cute. And I spy some miniature doilies. How adorable. That is super cute. I have to say adorable just to change up the word. I always say cute. I love cute things. And look at these adorable die cuts with the clouds. These are wonderful. Thank you so much, Rebecca. And there's more in here. So let me just put that on the side for a little bit so we can pull the next one. And she made this mini memory decks card. I'm just blown away at the creativity again of everyone that sent their entries in, and this is just too cute for words. Let me see. Oh, this has her information, so I am going to add that to my racks mail. And then next one here, we have 40 puffy stickers. How adorable. And look at that small little ribbon there, and this trim. I have not personally seen this like really mini trim. That is, oh my gosh, adorable. And it looks like I have a card. Look at that. Let's see what's in here. Put that there. Make a wish. How cute. Let me read this. Oh, dear Clarissa, happy birthday, my crafty friend, Rebecca Creates. How cute. Sorry guys, so many cuteness overload. But there is more. She has stuffed this with this time some sticker flakes. And I see a lot of kawaii little characters. We have a panda, some bears. I almost don't want to take it out of the package. It is just too adorable. But look at how many stickers she included in there. Oh my goodness. So magical, it says. And then that flower. And these bows. Wow, they are tiny. Oh, I'm gonna have to ask Rebecca to show us how to make these cute ones. Oh my gosh. Oh. And, oh my gosh, I love these. Oh, rosettes. I have not personally made rosettes. I have yet to make them. But wow, look at these. Unicorn and rainbows. Oh my gosh, love it. I grew up loving to watching Rainbow Bright, and this reminds me so much of that palette. We have that cute unicorn. Oh, so adorable. And I see, guys, check this out, a miniature little shaker wand here. Oh my gosh, look at this. So she said she used a paper straw, and I just love the resourcefulness again here. We have some trim and a little shaker mix there, and she's decorated it with those gem dots on the side. And this beautiful scallop base here. It's just so pretty. I love it. But wait, there is more in here. Oh, I see a ribbon. There you go. She's included a little kit here for me to use, and I will definitely be making some and sharing this with you, my crafty friends. Oh my gosh, how cute are these? I have to ask her where she got these little pieces here. So Rebecca, if you're watching, let me know where you got that. And here is the inside of our loaded paper bag. Oh, how cute. That is just adorable. So let me just put this aside, and we are going to look at the mini embellishment box. So get ready for more cute and adorable words to come your way. So I'll be right back. Here it is, guys. I am seeing this in person. She did show it in her channel, so if you've seen it, I'm sure you guys know how adorable and how fun-filled this mini embellishment box is. Love the wrapping and packaging here with the tulle. And if you haven't seen it, well, here we go. So on the front it says happy birthday, birthday girl, and I love the ribbon. Again, just these details, the layering, and just adding these embellishments. And then we have a little cute little Chanel little tassel here. And then let me open it up. Oopsie. Ready? Here goes. Isn't that super fun-filled with, let's start and look and see what's on this side. Look at how small. This is a resin perfume bottle. That is adorable, and look at the colors on that one. She also included these adorable macaron charms. I love the bow, and another resin charm. This one's a flat back. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? And another one here. This is so super adorable. And here we have some paper clips and mini clothespins. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? Oh my goodness. And there are several of these in different colors. I love it. Look at that, super cute. Love it. And here we have some of these foam flowers with the little gem dot on top. Look how small that is. That is so pretty. And again, thank you so much for all these beautiful colors. But that's not it, guys. I see more back here. I saw this and I was just, wow, look how small this cute little dangle. And it says EXO. And here is another one with a beautiful crystal butterfly. I see a mint little candy bead there. And I again just love these colors in pink. Everything is just wow. Here's one that says hi. And I see another crystal dangle here. And these are just super fun to add to your charms on your traveler's notebook or junk journals. I would actually personally use this for a zipper pull for my pouch, so I'm excited to use that. And over here we have miniature bows, and I love Hello Kitty, and this reminds me of Hello Kitty. Look at that fancy bow. There are so many colors. I'm just going to show you a few. Look at those. Oh my gosh, just super cute. And the rest are really tiny flowers, little flat back flowers. Where did you find these, Rebecca? They are, I've never seen them in stores, at least at the craft shops that I go to. But these are great. Oh my gosh, I'm excited to craft with these. So again, thank you so much, Rebecca. Let me just show you again this loaded pocket here that she included with so many fun goodies, the birthday card, and all these wonderful sweet, oh my gosh, just I am overjoyed and just really thankful for your kindness and for sharing your creativity. These are wonderful ideas that I am also excited to try myself. Make sure to check out Rebecca Creates channel. I'll put her link down below. This was such an amazing entry with all these miniature goodies, and I cannot get over this shaker, this miniature shaker wand. How cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini nail unboxing and found some inspiration along the way. Again, thanks for watching Karamia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.